The heels of a album will mash up a place with some songs in a rotation. In a May, can Alkaline do it again?
A few moments later.
That cartel afraid, like afraid of Alkaline, like cartel afraid of Alkaline more than push afraid of dog.
2,000 years later.
From October 2025 till about March 2026, the amount of reggae and dancehall album will drop. And I'll know we can't see them on the Billboard chart.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Also want to buy Alkaline catalog. So Alkaline, he just dropped an album. He sold about 700 copy, and if you calculate that, that is like 6K something US dollars. So I would pay Alkaline 20K US dollars for his catalog.
You remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
No, one Media Fox pan up in. So people, so JF run out and talk a bag of things. You understand? But we're going to video make you hear what I say. You see me? Yeah, man.
If you know, you know. If you feel like that you can do it again, uno tell me. Me not have to call no name. Uno can see what I go on. Can he do another sold out show in America? Could this be another historical moment?
Well, let we see. You understand? Because last time them same couldn't do it in a Barclays, so we are going to see what go on. You understand? I just say things that the youth are the greatness. You see me? I know we can just congratulate him for as a youth and I'm young. And he might do them big moves in my career as a young artist now. Trust me. Let's see.
Off the heels of a album, we mash up a place with some songs in a rotation. In a May, can Alkaline do it again? I strongly believe he can. Sold out Barclay. So what's the difference with another big arena? Of Alkaline we are talking about.
Well, I'm going to be the first dancehall artist to solo out that one, yeah. And I'm going to be the youngest too. You understand? So this is history as well. You see me?
Many are going to doubt it. We know we are going to hear some little loud mouth, bagga, clown. Probably tell us him can't do it. Because they did say him couldn't do it for Barclay either. But all I can say, everything is going to make sense soon. Everything is going to make sense soon. Make we see now. Make we wait and see if tickets are going to sold out. If it will be another historical moment for Alkaline.
So I was just thinking to myself that.
So people, I don't know, that brother here when him Kemar McGregor, I feel like, I don't know, him need a woman or something. I don't know how him find time for the on the media. Him really don't know for do, you know. If he has a big man, we are forward on the media every day and I talk something. I don't know, this man is like, the man just bad mind the artist them career. I that I realize. Him want the artist them career so much and him can't get it. Him just fall out and say some madness as a big man. Him say him are the king of this and king of that. But more want to listen to madness because I feel the shame head.
I want to buy Vibes Cartel catalog. I want to buy Massacre catalog. I also want to buy Alkaline catalog. So Alkaline, he just dropped an album. He sold about 700 copy, and if you calculate that, that is like 6K something US dollars. So I would pay Alkaline 20K US dollars for his catalog. Vibes Cartel, his last album sold 1,000 copies, so I would pay Vibes Cartel 35K US for his catalog. Massacre, his last album, he dropped so like 400 copies, so I would pay Massacre 15K US dollars for his catalog. So yo, you all can hit the Vibes Cartel, Massacre, Alkaline, and let them know I want to buy their catalog. Like 50K US dollars can let me buy these guys' catalog. Cameron McGregor, Billboard King about.
People, that brother I feel like him a mad out. I tell you, him a mad out. And him was the one to build the AI thing with artists a fight like Mortal Comeback for Beanie Man. And through the album, through Alkaline drop him album, him forward out, attack a bag of things. That brother, yeah, may I tell you, him and bad man whole like artist them, Massacre, Cartel, Alkaline career. Because him do a AI video, I made the artist them war, I made Beanie Man win. Cause I push Beanie Man album, you know. But him just a wait. I feel like him just a wait till the rest of the album them drop. You understand? But that one, yeah, him big pan buying views to the song them, you know. Yeah, man, him big pan buying views to the song them. You understand? Because through who him a work with, them not in the conversation in the dancehall right now. So him a crash out right now over artist them career. You understand? But I don't know him have Beanie Man I'm side. I don't know what Beanie Man can satisfy him or what. You understand? But for a big man, we just get up every day. Artist, this and brother, you're a producer. You're only producer when I say forward out and you just talk about a madness, brother. You understand? You not move like somebody where you want people to respect you. Look how much you produce out there, produce. I see them forward out like this and I react so. You see me? But as you say, seems like a cloth you want, so you get it now. You understand? So people are going on our next video, you know. See a Rasta forward out. I chat a bag of thing.
Right now, fish about here, Massacre. Tell you, in free the Alkaline like puss. Me not ask Christ. I mean, ask no man in the world. I tell the whole world that Cartel afraid like afraid of Alkaline like Cartel afraid of Alkaline more than push afraid of dog. Cartel lyrics them played out. The Cartel swag and style and badness in the music. He must go back in a GP, go spend the next 2 years and carry out with him. One mistake Cartel making at 13 years. When Cartel they are jail. You see when Cartel get the bail to come out, he's so glad and so happy. He left in flow and in style and in pattern in there. And he left Cartel badness left in a GP. He light like a cotton right now.
Yeah, I always say people, you see, when you're in a trouble and the struggles, it motivates you to do things more. Because if you realize right now, you don't know, Cartel don't have him catalog already. You see me? I don't know what caused me. I don't know if the visa or what kind of contract him sign where he have to stop singing gun song or what. You understand? But right now, when Cartel is in a prison, it's like, remember say, he never have the attention there, like people see him and all of them something. So what he have to do is like, him have to, him more interested, him more embedded in making the song them the right way or, you know, produce some and say some good more, you know, out there. The own member in him lock up in him cell, you know. So it's like, him not nothing else more than just putting out music. Because him don't have to put out music to stay relevant. You understand? If him did a prisoner and put out no music, maybe he would in a certain conversation. You see me? So him did have to do that and you know him have him links them a road and all of them things if you put it and make DJ play it. You understand? You don't know him have links a road. So it's like him more like, you know, more hungrier. Cause I remember, you know, lawyer money and lawyer fee and all of them little thing, the court case money. Him did have to do it, him have to drop all over 20 songs, him have to record or this or put a road, him have to do it. All of the collaboration, all of them something them need have to do it for try and make back that money they for pay. Cause if him did sit down in there and pay them, money would have done. You understand? So him have to do that for try and make some money and all of them little thing there. So it's like him the more hungry, me more, you know, a cause we don't know him forward out now. You see me? We don't know what make him, you know, stop do the gun thing. But I guess my opinion is, you know, he might get back in visa, so he might kind of, then maybe say, yo, stop the gun thing and all of them things. You see me? So right now, him just a sing. So it's like him free, he might drink, he might do this, he might do all of them look something there now. So it's like him now focus like when him in a prison. And him the hungry and him well focused to put out the music. Now, him have a bag of girl around him, all of them things there. You see me? Him happy, same day road and all. So it's like his mind just, you know, it not focus enough to put out the quality and all of them little things. That's just how it thing go. You see me? That's one of them things there. You see it?
Me not ask Christ. Cartel lyrics them not select like first time.
And one thing I want to know.
Yeah, man. So we see that brother here forward out people. Right here, where I say, you see me?
You understood, you know. When album, good album, blood clot, good. You see me? Because I hear some man I can talk about the God album flop. And one thing I want to know if you understood. Listen me now. Because when you see big bad album drop, you see me I say, I'm more than 10 I sang them to blood clot up on top 10. In the first week. album debut at number 1.1 chart, debut at number 4 on all music charts. You see me, I say, I want to see all of them things they are going on. I want to see the dog album flop.
Well, them can say a bag of thing, you know. You see me, them can say anything. But I hope when the rest of the album them drop, them have the same energy. You understand? Because the album tough. It a get play every little thing. You don't know the haters and who when I rate Alkaline. Them not gonna really make the album. They might come out and say anything bad. Them not no good for say so. I just one of them thing there unless when we see the rest of the album them then we talk. You understand?
One thing me want you to understood. When album good, it good. Fuck don't know. NPT, no pussy test. Now listen me now. Kind of overstand what I talk about, you know, kind of watch the Billboard numbers, right? But pre this, the Billboard charts, album land number 10 on the charts in the first week. 4 days get for them numbers that arrive. You see me, I say 4 days count the album get and it drop on number 10 on the chart. Alright, number 1. From October 2025 till about March 2026, the amount of reggae and dancehall album will drop. And now we can't see them on the Billboard chart.
That's a real thing. A lot of Billboard album drop and about 14 album drop last year when I hit the Billboard. Some of them, like Popcorn, I think less than 500. Some of them we don't even know. You understand? Even the album them will get nominated for Grammy this year. Them never hit the Billboard. You understand? I think the 5 album, yeah, them never hit the Billboard. Vice Carter, Keznamdi, Lila K, Jesse Royal, and I think Kiba, them never hit the Billboard. You understand? But you don't know Alkaline, so everybody are going to find one bag of thing for talk about. But when you check it, the other artists, them now do better. You understand? That's why I tell you say, the dancehall thing, it never go grow because if you see 14 album last year never hit the Billboard and then this year you say one will make it, you are going to bring down the one will make it. And it's like basically uno no talk about the one them we don't make it. But uno say yo this year one year way. One bag of excuses and yo second week it never do this. 1 to the 14. We never get recognition. We never get call out. All of these things. Massacre drop EP album December. We not hear nobody talk about it. What else? Lila IK them. Popcorn drop. Who else? Mr. Vegas drop. The amount of album drop last year. Them never call it out. But you know me realize it show me say Alkaline keep the genre going. Especially musically. Because him nah use controversy. Him just a do what him do regularly or normally. You understand? Because look at now. The youth just a do shows and release music, release album like any other artist. But them take everything and turn it in a controversy. Him do shows, him fans come see in controversy. Oh, him a follow this man. Oh, him a follow this. While this a youth do shows how long. Me never hear nobody a compare and this and that. See? The youth drop a album. See? And by now. No YouTube views, not the on the stream no more. Drop late, fine. But everybody, yo, what kind of album this? Yo, him should I do collab? Yo, we need better quality. Yo, this, that. Everybody have different excuses with the album. But the 14 we dropped last year, them never see it. But it show you say Alkaline keep the genre going musically. Because few months ago, it wasn't really about music. It's controversy. If I know girl who buy this, that, ray. You understand? So when you see an album and everybody attack down on an album, that means it do good. Because if you 14 will drop last year and them never did talk about it, that means they are bad then. You understand? So when you see, cause when last the industry ever you talk about an album like this? To be honest, when last? It's a good while now. Like everybody talk about NTP. You understand? It really do good. The haters are found out and say anything. They gonna say this and that and way. Alkaline do things in fans. You understand? And then other people out there are gonna listen to it because people are talk about it. And them are gonna run with it. Haters are gonna forward out and say anything, but when them artists drop, them don't highlight it like this. Them don't listen to them artist album. You understand? So you sure say Alkaline album them really interested in because them highlight Alkaline album more than for them artists. You see me? So that's how you think said.
Zin, some of my favorite artists drop EP, drop album, and now we still can't see them. Same way. Now, Alkaline drop in a March for 4 days and it reach a number 10 and still say flop. Come on, man. Zin, then now, when we look on the chart, who in front of Alkaline? Because when I say the album flop, so that means the phone artist will drop album, phone album supposed to be in front time. You know, see none of them on the album. Who for album me see on the chart? Me see Shaggy, Sean Paul, Bob Marley, UB40. I saw their name. The all artists there. And guess what? On a recent album them. The album they dropped from 20 years ago, 25 years ago, 30 years ago, 40 years ago. And at them the album there in front of Alkaline album from 1 to 9. Alkaline album there number 10. Now, me the follower chronics I say that simply means we're not ready yet, road boy. That simply means we're not ready yet. And if you now look at Alkaline thing and I say, yo, Alkaline album flop, that means, brother, if Alkaline thing flop, what about the rest of man them and not even flop for them flop thing flop? For them not even blood clot flip.
Yeah man, then that me I tell you. Because Alkaline album, they are number 10 and the other rest of album them are some artists where in the game where machine and everything are pump Bob Marley and every little thing. So if Alkaline album to them, they in the same line with them, top 10 yeah, it shows that the album are do good because him are the only artist where they with them are great. We not see no other album. You understand? So these are the things. The album them we drop never was in the top 10. Them never make the Billboard. The 14 album we dropped last year. So that's why I show you how hypocrite in a dancehall. If you know, it's like this. You see a brother climb the ladder to reach the fruits of the tree, right? Before it cut down. And you are going to pull down. Him reach near now. And I go pull him down and his tree soon cut down. And him a go get the apple. See? Him a go make, yo, top number 10. Remember say how much album drop and it not drop. And it not, you understand it now? You know, hit the Billboard, the numbers, them you can't see it. But this year see numbers and this reach a Billboard top 10. But for show you how dancehall stay. Now, I show down them favorite artists. Make them a go talk about album this and not make. Because I say people have about second week. I never know say people they worry about second week. But they think of first week. But Alkaline create that thing there where people start put up second week views now. But remember this. If you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone, you know. Because when the rest of the album them forward, I hope we get the first week and the second week. You understand? I hope we get the numbers, everything. Because enough of them are put out and them never put no numbers. Them even hide them. You have to look good to see them more while. You understand? Them in some different people information. You see me? But we are going to see what going on.
Eh? For them not even twitch, much less for flip or flap a pussy clot. You see what I deal with? So Alkaline, big up yourself. NPT, you have someone they know overstand nothing and they know what stats. You see me I say? Third thing, we are talking about the album now. We don't watch album numbers, views, and blood clot and them thing. We listen album. That's what I say. When we get album for listen, we listen it. If you're not good, we listen it 1/2 a time and dash away. If you're good, we listen it every day. And that I go on with Alkaline album now. Every day, people listen it. The same set of fans, them listen it every day. Plus, we have new fans who are coming in and listen to the album. And once they listen it one time, then start listening it every day. So every day the album will grow. Every day the songs, them new songs are add to trending. You see me I say, check TikTok. When girl good. You see me I say, when girl good. You have bad. Tell them say we head mad, yo. You see me I say you have wet hole. You see me I say I tear down your place same way. You have graduate, yo. We can't believe you see them the thing they don't talk about him on album, bro. G, what me say again? One thing me want you to understood. When album good, it good.
Yeah man, people. When I don't know, you know. As me say people, remember, Alkaline in a arena there. In a center there in Miami, you don't know. Ticket them supposed to out by now. Go get it. Go get your tickets. Just go up on the Reggae Fest chart or Ticketmaster or whatever. Get it, the Alkaline show. Cause it a go loud in Miami there. You see me? Yeah, man. So, getting yourself ready. Historical moment. You understand? But people, big up on yourself in respect for the support. You see me? One Media Facts Pan up. That is it.